Hey, Baron, you feeling alright today? No, it hasn't rained in ages. I feel so dead inside. Do you maybe want to go on a walk together? Sure. Whoa, where are we going? We're going into the sky. Whee! Where are we? We're in the cloud. Yay! The cloud? I just feel so dried and dead. I just don't feel like doing anything. Oh, I'm sorry. I wish there was something I could do to help. Where are we going? We're falling down to the ground. Aw, there's those nice green leaves I know and love. Yeah. Well, I suppose I should get going now. See you later.